I'm Callie. Welcome back to the ARELLANO'S. Today we are reading book number 2, Callie. Car race. It is the month of March. Carla and Mark have go-karts. They will go to the park. They will have a race in the park. Carla and Mark put on their helmets. They look smart. Carla and is number 5. Mark is number 7. Carla and Mark are ready at start position. Let race, says Mark. I am ready, says Carla. They start the car. Start. Mark speeds up. He takes a sharp turn and drives past Carla. He waves his scarf at her. Carla can pass Mark. Mark sees a garden far away. He hits a large bump. Mark loses his control. The car goes topsy-turvy. Mark gets up and drives again. This time, Carla speeds up. She drives past Mark and takes the lead. Mark is surprised to see Carla going ahead. Carla reaches the finishing line. She wins the race. Everybody claps for Carla. Mark also claps for her. She is the star. That's the end of the story, Car Race. Until next time. Read all the words here. Month, March, Carla, Mark, Park, helmets, Grace, Smart, number, start, position, ready, lead, drives, speed, sharp, scarf, pass, guarded, bump, control, topsy-turvy, ahead, finishing, clapping, stop.
Very good, ate. Good job. Who is the main character of the story?
Carla and Mark.
Where is the setting of the story?
Park.
How about who won the race?
Carla.
Why Mark did not win the race?
Because he had a big butt.
Okay. Why Carla and Mark have helmets on their head?
Because we need to protect
Protect what?
our heads.
Okay. Ali, what did you learn from the story?
Safety while driving.
Okay. Good job, bebe. So,
Keep going, bye.